Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to your first spelling test of second grade. You're going to need to grab a piece of paper and a pencil with an eraser. So pause the video now and go get those materials. Okay, for your spelling test, you are going to be writing the words that I say. Now, this is the one time that you can't look up a word or use your code chart. We want to know what you know, so just do your best and forget the rest. I'm going to say a word, then I'm going to use it in a sentence, and then I'll say the word once more. During that time, I want you to write down that word next to the number, okay? There's going to be 10 words and then a sentence. If you don't get the word or you need it repeated, I will repeat the words at the end, okay? When we're done with the test, you are going to use your Chromebook to take a picture of your test and send it to your teacher. Okay, so let's get going. Please put your name at the top of the paper. And then underneath, I want you to write the number 1. Okay, you should all have had time to write number 1. And your first word is bandit. The cat bandit sat on the deck. Bandit. Great. Number 2, shelf. I put the book on the shelf. Shelf. Number 3, spring. The cat bandit sprang up on the TV set. Sprang. Number 4, munch. I like to munch on grapes. Munch. Number 5, picnic. The class went outside and had a picnic. Picnic. Number 6, think. He could not think of the answer. Think. Number 7, wish. Blow out the candles and make a wish. Wish. Number 8, drift. I hope we never drift apart. Drift. Number 9, box. I put all of my materials in the box. Box. Number 10 is our tricky word, and that is she. She went outside to play. She. Okay, boys and girls, so now we are going to write our sentence, and then I will go back and read the words, okay? Okay, here is your sentence. Please put that below all of your words. The sentence you will write is, the cat bandit sat on the shelf. The cat bandit sat on the shelf. The cat bandit sat on the shelf. Okay, boys and girls, what I'd like to do is read the words one more time, and then I'll read the sentence one more time. Ready? Number 1 is bandit. Number 2 is shelf. Number 3 is spring. Number 4 is munch. Number 5 is picnic. Number 6 is think. Number 7 is wish. Number 8 is drift. Number 9 is box. Number 10 is our tricky word, and that is she. Okay, and I will repeat one more time that sentence at the bottom that you wrote. Are you ready? The sentence is, the cat bandit sat on the shelf. Okay, boys and girls, now here's what we're going to do. It's time to check your work. So we're going to go down each of the words. You're going to check my word. I'll reveal all of the words. You're going to check my word against your word. Okay? I'm going to call them out, and you're going to look to make sure that you spelled it correctly. If you spelled it incorrectly, you're going to cross out the incorrect spelling, and then you're going to write the correct spelling next to it. It's okay if you got it wrong. We just want to know what you know. Okay? Here we go. The first word was bandit. B-A-N-D-I-T. If you spelled any of that incorrectly, make sure that you cross it off and then copy the correct spelling next to your word. All right. Number 2 was shelf. S-H-E-L-F. Shelf. Again, if you got any part of that spelling incorrect, cross out that spelling and copy the correct spelling next to it. Number 3, spring. S-P-R-A-N-G. Same thing, cross off any incorrect spelling and write the correct spelling next to it. 4 was munch. M-U-N-C-H. 5 was picnic. P-I-C-N-I-C. 6 was think. T-H-I-N-K. 7 was wish. W-I-S-H. 8 was drift. D-R-I-F-T. 9 was box. B-O-X. And 10 was she. S-H-E. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write your sentence. Let's move this out of the way. Let's move these guys up a little bit. I'm going to write your sentence underneath. Check your sentence against my sentence. The sentence was, the cat bandit sat on the shelf. The cat bandit sat on the shelf. Okay, boys and girls, if you need to pause the video just to do some more double checking, you can do that. When you're ready, I want you to take a picture and send this to your teacher so they can check out all of your awesome work. You guys did a great job on your first spelling test of 2nd grade. Well done.